Hi, today I will bring you to walk through this newly completed project, the Phase Suites. So this project just located Jalan Sultan Ismail, which is just beside me. This is Jalan Sultan Ismail, and this is our project. So this is a freehold project already completed. This is the only project that have our 4 signature tower view, which is PNB 118, TRX, KL Tower, and also Petronas Twin Tower. And for this location, you can see we just located 350 meters away from Bukit Nanas monorail. You can see behind me, this station is Bukit Nanas monorail station, which is 2 stations can bring you go to the Bukit Bintang pavilions. So, and this is our project site. This is the actual site. So later I will bring you walk through the whole buildings, bring you to see the facility and who is the operator for this project. Currently I'm at the entrance for this project, Phase Suite. Actually the Phase Suite, we got the 2 buildings. The first building is called Phase Suite 1. This is a Tower 2, Phase Suite 2, so which currently still have available units. So you can see this, we are doing like the hotel style. We have a proper drop-off area and we have a proper hotel lobby style, lobby pattern. Yeah, so you can see all the traffic flow of the car, we are designed very good, doing a good design. We have a drop-off area. And we also have the security guards to guide you how to do the check-in. So the door there is the Phase Suite 1 main entrance lobby, and this is a lobby 2 main entrance. So you are really like step into a hotel. So when you come in here, you can see we have a few operator. So you can, if you invest here, you can freely to choose who you want to do as your operator or operations. Or you can, if you reach earlier, you can have a rest at the sitting area, or you can direct come to here to do the check-in. So it depends on you, let who become your operator. And here we have a 2 lift lobby. The first lift lobby will be here. It's serving level 9 to level 29. Of course, you can go to the facility floors too. The other one here is serving level 30 to level 50. So depending on which level you stay in. And that one is a restaurant. Now we come to the residential unit level. This is a level 29. So you can see the whole corridors and also the door of the unit looks like really like a hotel. So you can see the whole corridor. It's very, I can say it's very comfortable. And you can see the material it used. So this is a 2-room, 2-bathroom units, 1195 square feet. So once entering, you can see we are giving full furnished. So this is the first room. So all the rooms we are provide the cabinets, the wardrobes, the bed frames, and also some design. And this is a common bathroom, also fully furnished. And here is your main master room, also fully furnished. For the current units, you are looking at the KLCC view with some KL Tower and also PNB 118. And we call this is a family suites. So you can rent to a whole family, maybe it's 4 people staying. We also provide a dining table, the sofa, TV, aircons, and the console. this is your closed kitchen. This is an aircon ledge area. This is 1,006 square feet units. Once entering, this is your shoes cabinets. And come with your first room with attached bathroom. And this is a second room with attached bathroom also. And this is a very good, this unit got a very nice view, seeing the KL Tower and PNB 118. And here we go to the master room. This is a common bathroom. And now we are entering the master bedroom. Or the wardrobe area. And this is your living hall and dining area. And with a very good view. Kitchen area. This is a studio unit with very nice view. KL Tower and PNB 118 view. This is a 650 square feet unit studio type. Compared to the just now that one, this one have a slightly larger bathroom with the bathtub. And more spacious on the common area. But overall, the layouts are same as a studio type. This is level 51. It's access to our sky facility. So this is the best part for this project. So you can see from here, you can see KL Tower, PNB 118. Another side, you are able to see the TRX. So today, if you are looking at a project in KL City Centre with a very nice view, you can look at this project because you can see all the 4 signature buildings in our KLCC.